What's going on, guys? Stevie from the Midmasters here, and today we're back down at Injection Connection to test yet another horsepower modification, the infamous throttle body spacer. So no doubt when you bought your first vehicle, you also want to know how to make it go faster or more power for towing or all kinds of stuff. And you go on the internet and you type in how to do that, and of course the thing that pops up is little hunks of aluminum called throttle body spacers, and they have all the science and they say it's supposed to make this kind of horsepower and this kind of torque, but no one can agree on it. Half the people on the internet say no, half the people say yes. So here today we've put it on my truck and we're actually going to test it on this dyno. So I've taken the liberty of installing this Powerade throttle body spacer. That's it. It's just a simple block of aluminum. It's almost an inch thick, and it's 4 bolts that hold it on, top, two bottom. And then they give you these little extender plates so you can extend your throttle linkage over so that it stays the same length. So we're gonna start the truck and get this thing tested. So this is with the throttle body spacer. We made 1 extra horsepower, so the stock horsepower is 150 horsepower, and we made 151, and it made 4 more torque here, with the stock torque being 224, it made 228. So next what we're going to do is we're going to put the K&N filter in, and we're going to test that and see if that alters the numbers. So here we go. All right, guys, so here we are. We ran the test with the K&N filter and the throttle body spacer, and we jumped back up to our 155 horsepower, which is what we expect from the K&N, but the torque went down. So we went from 228 to 225. So the combination actually isn't that great. So just in case some of you guys there are believers in combining things to gain more horsepower, this is one of them that doesn't work. That being said, the numbers that we saw from the Airade throttle body spacer, and given its price of $150, total junk. You can throw it out. So luckily for you guys, I waste my own money to figure this out for you so that when the holidays come around, you guys don't waste any of your hard-earned dollars on something that is complete snake oil. So anyway, guys, that's all for me. Click the subscribe icon over here. Check out some of my other videos. I'm Stevie from the Midmasters. Thanks for watching.